Hello, welcome to my channel Nature Cure Lab. In this video I am going to explain keto diet for beginners and its side effects. Ketogenic is a term used for a low-carb diet. The ketogenic diet is very low in carbohydrates and high in fat, which is similar to the Atkins and low-carb diets. Carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. When there is a reduction in carbs, the body burns fats, makes ketones. Ketones are byproducts of the breakdown of fatty acids for energy called ketosis. The goal of the keto diet is to get more calories from protein and fat and less from carbohydrates. A healthy ketogenic diet should consist of about 75% fat, 15 to 30% protein, and less than 5% of carbs per day. 1. Fish and shellfish. Most fish and shellfish are naturally low in carbohydrates and rich in protein and fat. Fatty fishes such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, trout, and herring. Shellfish such as shrimp, crayfish, crab, lobster, clams, scallops, oysters, and mussels. 2. Low-carb vegetables. Generally, food grown above ground is low in carbs compared to root vegetables. Choose above-the-ground vegetables for keto diets such as asparagus, avocado, arugula, broccoli, bell pepper, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower, cucumber, celery, green beans, eggplant, kale, lettuce, olives, radicchio, spinach, tomatoes, white mushroom, and zucchini. Avoid root vegetables like onion, carrots, parsnip, sweet potato, rutabaga, celeriac, and beetroot, which are high in carbs. 3. Meat and poultry. Meat and poultry are good sources of protein and are low in carbs, which makes them good for the keto diet. Choose the fresh meat, not the commercially processed meat. Also, include organ meats in the keto diet, as these are high in nutrients such as liver, kidney, heart, and tripe. The best meat for the keto diet is grass-fed meats. 4. Cheese. All kinds of cheese are good for the keto diet, as cheese is less in carbs. Cheese also contains conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which is a well-known fat for weight loss. The best cheese for the keto diet is brie, goat cheese, mozzarella, feta cheese, cheddar cheese, and parmesan. 5. Eggs. Eggs are highly nutritious, less in carb, and staple food of the keto diet. However, it is better to use pasteurized eggs as much as possible. You can eat 4 to 6 eggs per day. It's necessary to eat whole eggs, as most of the nutrients are found in the yolk. 6. Dairy products. High-fat dairy products contain a high amount of fat and moderate carb. Butter, cream, and yogurt are rich in conjugated linoleic acid, the fatty acid that may promote weight loss. 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are healthy snacks. Nuts and seeds are popular with people taking a low-carb and high-fat diet. It also reduces food intake and makes eat less, which helps in weight loss. Healthy nuts like pecans nuts, cashew nuts, Brazil nuts, macadamia nuts, walnuts, hazelnuts, pine nuts, almonds, and peanuts. Seed like sunflower seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, and chia seeds. 8. Healthy oil. The best oil for the keto diet is coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, sesame oil, avocado oil, hazelnut oil, and walnut oil. Side effects of the keto diet. The keto diet could cause low blood pressure, kidney stones, constipation, nutrient deficiencies, and heart disease. If you like this video, like, share, comment, and for more health tips, consider subscribe to this channel. Thank you, stay safe.